Chief of the Defense Forces, Baba Askofu na mapadri wote wa Kristo, tumsifu Yesu Kristo daima na milele. I've never spoken before the President. So nimeona ndugu zangu wanakuja wanasema tu karibu Your Excellency na wanaenda wakikaa. Sijui mimi sasa nitakosea nikisema kidogo. Ama niseme kidogo Your Excellency ukikubali. Your Excellency, ile wakati nimeingia hapa nilikuwa natembea nyuma ya ndugu yangu Faruk Kibet. Na nimesikia wale walikuwa ndani tayari wakisema ni kama rais amefika. Na huyu anamfuata na koti nyeusi ni kama ndio komanda wa jeshi lake leo. Nikasikia mmoja akisema huyu ni Kaluma, na wengine wanasema hawezi kuwa Kaluma. Mimi ndiye Peter Kaluma, mjumbe wa Homa Bay Town, kijana wa baba, mtu wa ODM. Your Excellency, I'm a Catholic, and so yesterday when I got information you'd be worshiping in this great church of ours from Brother Faruk, I requested that you be requested to allow me to come with you to church. I'm grateful, Your Excellency, you allowed it. Ya mwisho, ama niendelee. Juzi, Your Excellency, nimekuwa nikitembea huku sana, hasa upande wa Nandi. So there is a day I said, tutaingia na tutakuja tuwasaidie kuheshimu rais, kumsaidia kuungana na yeye, kuunganisha taifa. Na watu wengi sana hasa Mandago alisema utakuja kweli? Mandago, sasa niko wapi? Niko hapa. We are here, Your Excellency, to thank you very much for what you've been doing in words and in deed in uniting the country. You've spoken the language of unity from the very beginning of your reign. And our people do not understand, but when you swore and put your hand on the Bible and lifted the Constitution, among the matters which you said before Kenyans you defend is the unity of our nation. And that is why the Constitution says you are the symbol of national unity. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be with my sister here. In the Catholic parish at Parliament, we call her Mother Superior. Mother Superior. But Your Excellency, there is a great leader who came from an Apkoi across here. He is since passed on. He was called Chepkut. He replaced Brother Chepkonga temporarily, and now Chepkonga is back. I think because he knew Chepkonga was a lawyer, he always remembered Article 131. And whenever we were in Parliament, even if the issue of Article 131 never was being debated, he would come from nowhere and say, Article 131, the authority of the President. And then he would count the 4 of them. And he would start by saying, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. And he would end with, he exercises the executive authority of the state. Then he would end with, he's the symbol of national unity. He remembered those provisions more than us lawyers like Chepkonga, and we remember him for that. We want to request everybody who voted for the President to allow him to exercise that authority in the Constitution that is sworn to exercise. Na la mwisho, naona hata nikiongea Your Excellency, bado wanauliza hii watu wamekuja kweli? Hatutoki. Mahali tumetoka si ndio mbali? Kutembea kutoka Sudan, Uganda mpaka ufike huku. Sasa kutembea kutoka Kisumu na Moiben. Rais hatutoki. Mine is to warn you to respect the presidency. We are searching for it. Hatujawahi pata sisi upande ule. and we will help you. And to caution you that people who come last like us, si Biblia husema people went to harvest, lakini mwishowe hata wale walitoka nini walipata sawa. Tumekuja, and Your Excellency, thank you very much. You are giving us better than them. Better than them. Give us more because we are your prodigal sons. Your prodigal sons. But Your Excellency, I know time is out. Let me thank you very much for the support you are giving our party leader to be the chairman of the African Union Commission. Within the ODM fraternity, which you know, and within our people whom you know very well, huwa tunasema babako akiwa uchi, mtu atupe au aweke nguo juu yake, huyo mtu anakuwa babako. Babako akitambaa na mtu ampatie bakora, huyo si ni rafiki na baba? Yeah, the only request, Your Excellency, is that before he goes to Addis Ababa, because we have never known you to fail in anything, do you believe the president can fail to take Baba to Addis Ababa? Yeah, so before he goes, you will come to Homa Bay, and he will hand us over as his children to you so that you can pray together. I thank you very much, Your Excellency. May God bless you. May God bless this church. Thank you very much. So tuko na wajumbe wengi, Your Excellency, wa broad-based government hapa.